Asset-intensive organizations have lots of data about their equipment, spare parts, and repairs. To manage that data, most organizations use enterprise asset management software or a similar product, such as a CMMS or ERP. The problem is, many software implementations don't deliver detailed information about equipment failures, which is key to improving asset reliability. The data in the system is often messy and inconsistent, which makes it hard to find records, manage work orders, or generate reports. That's because most organizations have no consistent approach to EAM data governance. They have no standard filing system for naming and classifying records, and no standard reporting codes for tracking key information such as work order priorities and equipment failure reasons. To create high-quality EAM data, you need standards. That's why we created the EAM Master Data Library. The EAM Master Data Library provides a comprehensive and fully customizable framework for EAM data governance. It contains a structured coding system that acts as a universal language for asset management, with the detailed problem and failure codes you need to zero in on asset reliability issues. It also provides naming conventions and classification systems for cataloging assets and spare parts, so you can turn this into this. Our library puts best practices at your fingertips. It meets ISO 14224 standards for maintenance and reliability data, and it's built on 20 years of experience in asset management to help you improve your data and identify opportunities. Build better data with the EAM Master Data Library from Swain Smith. For more information, visit www.swainsmith.com or call us at 828-215-9471.